Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today there is a different type of video. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of MacBook Air that purchased from Flipkart. So without any late, I am very much excited to open the MacBook Air, and without any late I am going to move to the opening of MacBook Air. Let's have a look how is it. like my MacBook, you have already seen the MacBook and you have watched the video of unboxing. Hope you like the MacBook Air, the unboxing of MacBook Air. Really, it's not a laptop, it's a real hidden treasure. See, it's very sleek and very lightweight. Okay, leave it. More about this laptop, the more specification I will share with you in my next video. Keep watching my video, and those who are watching this unboxing video to purchase this laptop, I suggest you please go and purchase it as early as possible, because MacBook is introducing another version. This is the model of Core i5 processor, 10th generation processor, with Touch ID. Touch ID is available. MacBook is introducing from 17th November another new processor, M1 processor. I will discuss about this, what is the advantages of that processor in my coming videos. So this video just for the unboxing, and this is the treasure, this is the real hidden treasure with me, and I'm very happy to have this laptop. And I suggest everybody, those who want to purchase, is still available in the Flipkart. Go to Flipkart and just grab the deal just now. This much only for today. In my coming videos I will share with you the uses of this laptop, the more in-depth specification of hardware specification and software specification. Everything will be explained in my next video. So for that, please subscribe my channel. To get the notification, please press the bell icon and press the subscribe icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.